That's how rotted it was before I sandblasted it. You see those pictures I had earlier?
I see, yes.
And underneath these pipes were all rotted out. So I had to cut those pipes off.
Look at that.
And that's the body off of it. Yeah. I think I got many pictures on this one. That's the motor. Yeah, look at that. Hanging in the air.
So that's a frame, huh?
Yeah. And these pieces had to come off so you can fix the pipes underneath them.
Yeah.
Because they rot underneath this. That's the whole frame sandblasted. Painted.
Amazing.
It's my beach. That's where I sandblasted the whole car. Transmission clear coated, all the pieces. I just started putting them on. And the pieces all on. And the gas tank on. That's the engine before I cleaned it up. There's the motor on the car. Cut the eyebrows off. They're leaded on with lead.
Yeah.
You have to melt the lead off to take it off, and then you have to let it back on when you're done. That was a hole there. This is all rot. All rot. Those pieces, I cut little pieces everywhere. Replaced the pieces. Another chunk in there. I had a rot hole in there. This whole section of the wheel wells I replaced.
Yeah.
This whole, see, that's the inside of it was all rotted away.
Wow.
See, that's how it was when it came
You just put
out.
new metal in there, huh?
Yeah, just cut it out and put new metal in. Let's see. Got pictures, see, cut it all the way out. These are all, they got metal strips that hold the leather in. There's screws that go in there, and there's like thousands of screws all the way around. I had to drill every one of those holes. This is the old stuff. I took pictures of it, so they made sure to put it back in the same place. There's the strips right there. That holds the leather in the doors. I had to make all new strips for it. That's what it looked like when it came in. That's the same car.
What color is that? Was that is that like a light blue?
Light blue.
Amazing.
That's the interior. And there's the steering wheel poles.
Thing of beauty.